Hi students, today we are going to see convolution sum of discrete time system, how to do the problems in various methods, and this is Benila from RM Engineering College. So convolution sum of discrete time system is given as y of n equal to x of n convolution h of n. So y of n is equal to summation k equal to minus infinity plus infinity x of k h of n minus k, or you can write this as h of k x of n minus k, where your n is minus infinity to plus infinity. So how to find the number of samples does your output has? So this can be found by let n1 be the number of samples of x of n and n2 be the number of samples of h of n. If it's so, then the number of samples of the output y of n is given by n plus n1 plus n2 minus 1. So the different methods used to obtain the convolution sum are matrix method, tabular method, graphical method and direct method. So in this direct method we will be using the formula to get the answers here. So we solve the problem in all the three methods here. So obtain the convolution of x of n and h of n. So here x of n is 1, 2, 3, 3. It's a bidirectional sequence. So first we'll find the basic data here. So convolution sum of a discrete time system is given by x of n is y of n is equal to x of n convolution h of n. So the formula. So now we can find how many number of samples does your output has and what is the time period of the output. So here the number of samples of x of n is 4 samples totally. So 4 number of samples, so it is 4 numbers. And time period is, here you have the arrow mark. The arrow mark indicates that the n value is 0. Right? So if the n value is 0 for this 2, then here it will be minus 1. So 0, 2 and 3. So the time period will be minus 1 to 3. Again, the number of samples of your h of n is 4 number of samples. Here there is no arrow mark here. So it tells that the starting point will be the time period of 0. So it starts from 0, 1, 2 and 3. So time period is 0 to 3. The 4 number of samples. So this is 0 to 3. Sorry. So it is 0 to 3. So the number of samples of the output y of n is given by 4 plus 4 minus 1, that is n1 plus n2 minus 1. So 4 plus 4 minus 1 is number of samples is going to be 7, and time period of the output, how to find the time period is, you have to add the starting time period of your x of n and starting time period of your h of n. So minus 1 plus 0 is going to be minus 1. So minus 1 to 7 number of samples, so it's going to be minus 1 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 1 to 5. So convolution by matrix method. So here the problem whatever they have given is taken, and here we are going to have two sides here. So either you can take x of n this side, h of n this side, or the vice versa here. So I am going to take the x of n this side and h of n this side here. Okay. So here this is your x of n, and here this is going to be h of n, right? Okay, now I'm going to take this one and then I'm going to multiply the entire x by 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3 and 1 into 3. Again I'm taking the second row and then I'm going to multiply the entire value. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 and 2 into 3. Third row into this one. So 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3 and 1 into 3. Again 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3 and 4 into 3. Again you have to get the slashes of this way to get your answers here, right? So here this y of n can be calculated by 1, and then the second y of 2 is, you just add these two values here. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then for y of 3, 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 8, and for y of 4 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 is 15, and y of 5 6 plus 3 plus 8 is 17, and y of 4 is 3 plus 12 is 15, and the last one is going to be 12. And here remember your time period is from -1 to 5, so you have to mention this arrow mark. If you didn't mention your arrow mark, the problem will be wrong. Then we'll go for the second method, tabulation method. So in this one, I'll be getting your tabular column. So in this column, your this first row will be your k value. How to fill this k value is, so here your x of n starts from -1 to your 2. So that -1 to 2. Here h of n is 0 to 3. So here in this one, you have to reverse this one, right? So you have to find your x of k, h of k, then h of minus k, then we'll start from, you have to find the value of y of -1 to y of -5. So I'll be taking from h of -1 to h of 5. So h of -1 minus k, h of minus k, 0 minus k, 1 minus k, 2 minus k, 3 minus k, 4 minus k, and 5 minus k. So now I'll be plotting this value, and this value will be 5. Right? Okay, so now I'm just placing the value of x of k. So x of k is from -1 to 2. So for -1 to 2, I'll be placing the value, and I'll be placing the h of k in corresponding value, that is 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 I have placed. Now I'll be getting your x of minus k, that is your time reversal of it. So with respect to 0, I'm going to reverse it. So it is 1, here it is 2, then 1 and 4. Now I got my h of minus k. So the first value is, I'll be getting the h of 1 minus -1 minus k. So 1 shift was this way. Now after getting this h of -1 minus k, I have to multiply with x of k to get y of -1. Right? So this is 4 into 0, 1 into 0, 2 into 0, and 1 into 1. So this is 1 into 1. So the value is 1. Now x of 0 comma 0 minus k into h of k, right? So here this is your 0 minus k. Now I have to multiply these two. So 4 into 0, 1 into 0, then again 2 into 1, then 1 into 2. So 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Again x of 1 minus k I have shifted, and then now I have multiplied. So 4 into 0 is 0. Again 1 into 1 is 1. Then 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Then again 1 into 3. So it's totally 8. Then I'll be shifting it for x of h of 2 minus k and multiply with x of k. So it's going to be 4 into 1 is 4. Then 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2, 6, plus 1 into 3. So that will get you the y of 2. Again h of 3 minus k, 1 shift, then multiply with your x of k. So 2 into 4, then 3 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 into 0. So totally it's going to be 17. Then I'll be getting your h of 4 minus k. So then multiply this one. So 4 into 3, then 1 into 3, then the remaining 2 is going to be 0. So it's 15. So the last one, to get your y of 5, I'll be multiplying h of 5 with your x of k. So 4 into 3 is going to be 12. So have to mention this arrow mark here. So this is about your tabulation method. So the next one we'll see the convolution sum in graphical method. So here x of n and h of n is given. First I'll have to express it in graphical mode, x of n. So here it is from -1 to 2. So the value is 1, 2, 3, 3. I'll be getting your h of k first. So it's 0 to 3, 1, 2, 1, 4. I'll go for the reversal of it, h of minus k. So it's going to be, instead of 0 to 3, it's going to be -3 to 0 here. Right? So now I'll be multiplying here the time period of y of n is minus 1 to 5. So I'll be multiplying, I'll be finding the value of h of minus 1 to h of 5 and then multiplying with your x of k to get the value here. Right? So x of k and h of minus 1 minus k. So now I'll be multiplying these two values. So corresponding values has to be multiplied. So only one corresponding value minus 1 and minus 1 here. So 1 into 1 your y of n will be 1. Again x of k and h of minus k. Here the corresponding value I have 2 minus 1 and 0 here. So 2 into 1 and 1 into 2 and 2 into 1 it's going to be 4. Again it's going to be x of k into h of 1 minus k. Here I have three corresponding values as minus 1, 0 and then 1 here. Okay, so the value is going to be again 1 into 1, 2 into 2 and then 3 into 1. So the value is going to be 7. So x of k and h of 2 minus k, here I will be multiplying minus 1 into minus 1. The value is going to be 4. 1 into 4. Again plus 3 into 1 plus 3 into 2. Again it's going to be 3 into 1. So the value is going to be 15. So next is going to be x of k into h of 3 minus k. So here it is going to be corresponding value is 0, 0. So it's going to be 2 into 4. Then again it is going to be 3 into 1. Again it is going to be 3 into 2. So totally the value is going to be 17. Then I'll be getting x of k into your h of 3 minus k. So here it is going to be 1 corresponding value. So it's going to be 4 into 3. Again it's going to be 3 into 1. So the corresponding value is 15. So the next last value x of k with your h of k. Here the value is going to be only for this one 2. Right. So it's going to be 3 into 4. It's going to be 12. So don't forget to mention the arrow mark. So for all the three procedures, methods, matrix method, tabulation method and graphical method, the answer is going to be same. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.